Welcome back Mac and PC Prime Video, and today in this video, I'm going to show. Look here, when I turn on the UPS power, this iMac turns on automatically. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem very simply. Not only iMac, but also Mac Mini, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, we can fix these too. What we need to do first, go to Spotlight Search, type in Terminal. Click the terminal icon, copy and paste the following command, or type it exactly, into terminal. Sudo nvram AutoBoot equals 00, press return. Your return key may also be labeled or enter. If you are prompted for an administrative password, type the password and press return. Your password will not be displayed in terminal. After that, shut down the iMac and power off the UPS. After a while, turn on the UPS. Now look, the automatic booting has stopped. Now, turn on the iMac button. This problem has now been completely fixed. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching.